friends, welcome to CSV YummY recipes. Today I'm going to prepare Palak Chapathi. Next I'm going to boil this by adding little water, not much. Adding some water, approximately 1/3 cup. Now allow it to cool down and then I'm going to blend it. Now I'm taking 1.5 inch ginger, next 3 cloves garlic and 3 green chillies. Add everything to the blender. I have taken 1 cup flour. Add this to the flour. Mix it well. Now allow it to rest for 15 minutes. The dough is ready. Now take a small ball of the dough and start preparing the paratha. Just roll it from the edges. Roll it from the edges. This is a very healthy chapati. Now heat the pan. Add it to the pan. Cook it on both the sides. Keep rotate and cook it on the edges. The middle part will be cooked if you cook it on all the edges. Cook it this side only. Now this paratha is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.